Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I thought I'd make a short video today showing you my character sticker storage. It's a bit of a DIY setup and I thought maybe you guys would be interested in learning how to do it too. I have it set up in this B6 TN from Naya Paperie, and this leather is called Snow. I don't really have much of a theme. It's just basically white, mint, and pink, a bit of a floral element as well. I do apologize for any glare. So the reason that I set this up is because this year I switched to an A5 for my regular daily and monthly planning. Previously I had been in a B6, so I had a ton of B6 TNs that weren't getting used. And at the same time, I was getting really frustrated flipping through all of my binders with my stickers. So I figured I'd kill two birds with one stone and I would just combine them. So what I did is I took a A6 photo album insert from Michaels and I stapled that inside a B6 clear dashboard from the 1407 planners. I just stuck that in the back of the secretarial pocket of the TN, and I put a little bit of deco to jazz it up. This paper is from scrapbookpaper.com, Fox and Pip Bow. I believe that's from Dottie Moo. These are just some quote die cuts from an old planner press box. This is the scrapbook paper that everyone has from Michaels. And this is a little owl pin that I got from a French shop called Morgan, what is it? Morgan Barrett? I'm sorry, I apologize if I butchered that. And I thought that I would just stick it in here to kind of start my inspiration process for my next setup, which I'm thinking will be a pastel Harry Potter theme. My pen is from the latest Simply Gilded sub box. I just made that little clip myself. And this is from Fur and You. And this is a little charm from Michaels that I just assembled myself. Alright, so I didn't think that I would get into each individual sticker sheet. I thought it should be more just kind of about the setup. And then I thought maybe if you guys wanted to see individual video of my individual sheet collection, I can definitely do that. So I do have a die cut from Maker Doer Mama there. I thought it was quite appropriate. And then I've layered some Wonton and a million stickers there. So that would be the cover page to the A6 album. And then I've just stacked up my stickers by categories. So we have a coffee, food, grocery, dinners and TV, friends and happy emotions, phone calls and planning, negative emotions and date night, lazy day and period, laundry and cleaning. So I'll show you what I mean. I just, by stacked up, it's obviously pretty clear, but I just take, let's say all of my cleaning stickers, put them all together in one pocket. This is probably only really functional for people that have not a huge sticker collection and are aware of what stickers they have. I'd imagine if you had a really large collection and kind of lost track of what you had, this might not be so functional. Bills, and I stuck a car in there for some reason, payday, good mom days and bad mom days, birthdays and happy mail, shop specific happy mail, like girly things like makeup and stuff, children, activities, pain, doctor and dentist, work, school, seasonal, other, and then I also put my samplers in the back. I really do like to use my samplers, and I find if I don't see them, I definitely don't use them. So this has been helpful to use those up. And that's it. I did stick this full-size sampler from Toffee Bananas. I thought it was super cute and quite decorative. And then that's the back of the sticker album itself with the Fox and Pip Planner Girl. So that is my DIY character sticker storage setup. Let me know if you want to see each individual sheet. To be honest, I'd already filmed that video and it seemed so boring, but I mean, we all love stickers and planners, right? That's why we're here. So if you do want to see that, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Bye.